From the European Tour 2023, Part 3. You'll remember this part of the video where John and I trundle in here to do a photo stop and fly the drone. And just by chance, while I was flying the drone, I noticed that the motorcyclists to the right of me were changing a tyre or doing some sort of tyre repair. So once we'd landed the drone, I thought I would gander over and just have a quick chat with them in broken English, and I think it was my broken English rather than theirs. And I explained to them that I had a pneumatic pump that I could blow their tyre up. As you can hear, they were quite happy about the idea, and as such, the owner of the motorcycle brought over his wheel to have the tyre inflated. There's not a lot to say in relation to blowing up tyres. As such, I'll let you watch this short part of the video, which has been sped up, just for your viewing pleasure.
Okay, yeah, of course. Yeah, that's a bit funny, it pulls off, so. Snaps?
Yeah.
Listen, have you got wee ones?
No.
Oh no,
bottle
no,
of.
no, no.
Ah,
You're fine. You go and enjoy. You drink that and think of this.
Yeah, we drink that back at home. We'll be back at home today.
Yeah.
But do you like some or just a little sip?
No, I know we're
No,
driving.
no one driving. No, thanks very much. No, you go and enjoy.
Aye, thanks.
Get on the road. You know, absolutely no worries. As you can imagine, the motorcyclist, young guys, whatever you want to call them, were quite appreciative of getting the tyre blown up. I have got the impression it would have taken them eternity because they were using, I think it was a push bike hand pump. The owner of the motorcyclist then comes over and he gifts us an Ouzo. After discussion, it wasn't depriving them of any drink because they were actually heading home.
Kind of. It's made apples, pears.
Is this depriving you of drink? Is this depriving you? You have it.
No.
This is for you, because you help.
Was is apple and pear?
Yes.
Apple and pear.
Apple and pear.
Yes.
We'll try that tonight. Thank
Yeah.
you very much. That's all we have.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a nice day.
I have to say, I was actually touched when they gifted the bottle of Ouzo. There was no intention of getting something for doing a favour to like-minded motorcyclists. And as before, we head down the hill to Borg San Maurice, and I certainly head down the hill with a smile on my face.